Master Vandana Gupta, Principal at GD Goenka Public School, Sector 22, Rohini. I'm excited to talk to you about STEMplify, an initiative that we are implementing at our campus, along with STEMplify labs to revolutionize STEM education. We believe in nurturing a passion for science, technology, engineering and mathematics, the cornerstones of STEM education. STEMplify isn't just about teaching these subjects, it's about fostering creativity, critical thinking and problem-solving skills among our students. Our aim with STEMplify and their STEM lab is to create a dynamic learning environment where students are not just passive learners but active participants in their education. We want to inspire them to ask questions, experiment and innovate, which makes them well equipped with 21st century skills. By integrating STEMplify courses, which are National Education Policy 2020 mapped into our curriculum, we are preparing our students for the challenges of tomorrow's world. We are equipping them with the skills they need to thrive in fields that are constantly evolving and shaping the future. Thank you for your support as we embark on this exciting journey together. Let's amplify skills through STEM learning and competitions and empower our students to reach new heights of success. So we are really excited and looking forward to this program at our campus.